in months.
Yeah, we all get that you think it's impressive, but ain't nobody impressed with how much you're bench pressing. Buying Smirnoff Ice for girls half your age, telling all your douchebag friends that you still